Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Rocket Money app. So let's get started. So download and install the Rocket Money app. You have to follow this easy step. So just go to the Google search bar or Google Play Store if you are an Android user. If you are an iOS user, you should must use our Apple Store. Go to search bar and search for the Rocket Money app. Okay. So at here we'll just go search for Rocket Money app. Okay, so from here you can click on the install and it will automatically download and install the app and you can use it. If you scroll down, you can all see the reviews and you can also give the reviews too. So by this way you can do it and it's an easy way too. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.